Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details, and it is a very typical fall Pennsylvania day here. The rain just kind of shifted, so thankfully we should have dry weather the rest of the day, but it is just cold and windy and a lot of fun. So I have a customer here that I did his vehicle back in July. He's routinely bringing his vehicles into me from spring and kind of winter prep, and so this vehicle is actually in really fantastic condition. Let me show you guys what's going on the inside. And I absolutely love these kind of customers, but let me show you what's going on the inside and the tools products that I'm going to be using today to quickly get through this interior and get it looking fantastic. All right, so I pulled out my WeatherTech mats. We're going to go ahead and get those cleaned up in a little bit. I'll share with you guys my chemical and process for cleaning WeatherTech mats. You can see here we just got a lot of Mckees 37, their floor mat and cargo liner rejuvenator. This is absolutely the best product that I have found on the market to clean your WeatherTech mats properly. Doesn't dry them out. It actually helps kind of give them a rich black look to them. So we're going to go ahead and show you that process in a little bit in this video, so stay tuned for that. You can see here I detailed this back in June, and I don't believe that the customer has probably waxed it since then. You can see we've got a lot of road film built up on it. We've got a lot of dirt, our wheel wells. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of days, and it's kind of showing, but we still have protection here. And I actually topped this with Owner's Pride ceramic detailer. So I was absolutely floored to see that we still have fantastic beading, gloss and shine. So you can see here our interior has some light dust. It's really in fantastic condition. Our leather, we're going to go ahead and do a gentle cleaning and conditioning. All of our interior is going to be wiped down and protected. Now in this moment, a lot of detailers, sometimes we get kind of stuck in our process. We feel like, oh, I got to break out the air compressor. I've got to shampoo every surface. I've got to deep clean everything. Not every vehicle requires, such heavy work, especially if you have customers that are really properly maintaining their vehicles. So we had WeatherTech mats on here, and I can tell you, I actually went back and looked at my pictures that I took from this customer the last time they were in, and I can still see, hang on one second, I can still see my vacuum lines from the last time that I did this. That actually excites me. You can see here, those are vacuum lines from me. That's why, for anyone that's interested in protecting their investment, consider investing in WeatherTech or weather mats, because you can just see it's fantastic. But the customer really probably hasn't vacuumed it since June. This is really, this is good condition. I should be able to zip through this interior in no time at all. We'll get our door jambs degreased and cleaned. Gonna use Superior Products Rage to pressure wash, get them blasted nice and clean. We'll get our vacuum with our detail brush. We'll get all this dust down, and then we're just gonna wipe down everything. I'm not gonna do extensive, detail brush, come in here and blast it. When you have customers who are maintaining their vehicle, or if you have maintenance customers that are coming in routinely, do you have to go full all out? Let me share with you guys. You can just see again. We're going to do a good vacuuming, going to wipe things down. Let me share with you guys the products that I'm going to use to quickly get through this vehicle. So first and foremost, for our leather, we're going to be using Mckees 37, their 70/30 leather shampoo. This is, not only does it smell fantastic, it smells like mink and lanolin oil. That's where you get a lot of that conditioning from, but it has a phenomenal foaming cleaner. It's gentle for all leather surfaces. I can come in with my Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja pad, quickly clean the leather seats. I am cleaning and conditioning all at once, so I skip a step. A lot of detailers will break out, a leather cleaner and then have to follow up with a conditioner, and sometimes they can make them greasy or streaky, and I personally like a matte, clean look. So this just gives a beautiful finish. I'll show you guys this product in use in a little bit. And then also, once we get our interior vacuumed out, we're going to be using our detail brushes. We're going to be vacuuming simultaneously as we kind of knock all that dirt up. That's going to leave really behind just minimal smudges, minimal streaking on the interior. So we're going to wipe down all of our plastics with Mckees 37, their fast interior detailer. If any of you guys like fantastic smelling products, this is the best smelling product. I'm just going to say it. This is my personal opinion on the market. There are times that I actually will spray this on myself because it smells so good. Don't make fun of me. You have to smell it for yourself to try it out. Seriously, cleans and protects, has a UV protectant within it. You can see you can use this weekly on your vehicle to remove fingerprints, smudges, dust, and light spills. Frequent application helps your interior clean and smelling fresh. Anti-static formula combines gentle cleaners with durable UV inhibitors designed to prevent long-term damage to delicate interior surfaces. Safe and effective on plastic, vinyl, leather, carpet, LCD screens, instrument clusters, and hard plastic, carbon fiber, wood trim. I've actually used this on light spots that my kids have made on seats. It's brought it up. And my husband absolutely loves the smell. It has kind of like a very light, I don't want it like a very light cologne smell. They actually created, because this smell was such a hit with their customers, they actually created a air freshener based off of the smell from this product. It's called Date Night. So for any of you who just love the smell of this product, you can buy it as an air freshener. So Mckees 37, their Date Night. It's the best air freshener, honestly, on the market. I absolutely love it. I use it all the time in my own personal vehicle. But those are kind of the chemicals. All right, guys, we are all done. You can see with our Mckees 37 products, we have a fantastic end result. Let's just do a quick walk around to show you. All of our plastics have been wiped down with the fast interior detail. We were able to put down quality UV protection, but we don't have streaky, greasy last look. All of our leather has a beautiful, nice matte finish. Again, non-streaky. If I were to come in and touch it, we're not going to have kind of a streaky residue left behind. We've cleaned and conditioned all at once. Fantastic way to maintain your leather seats. You can see our WeatherTech mats look absolutely fantastic. They look brand new. All of our plastics, glass, everything has been cleaned and protected, and the interior smells fantastic. So hopefully this helps some of you guys. Maybe you're a detailer and you have customers that come to you for regular maintenance. Maybe it's a new vehicle and you don't have to do a whole lot of work. Or maybe you are an enthusiast that are just looking for fantastic products that work effectively, smell fantastic, and just really kind of decrease the amount of effort that you need to put into maintaining your vehicle. I highly encourage these products. This isn't a sponsored video. I purchased all of these products myself. I use these products on my own personal vehicles, so I can definitely tell you I've tested them out. These are some of the best products on the market to maintain your own vehicle, especially if you have leather, WeatherTech mats, plastics, things like that. Honestly, they are just top-notch products. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out in your pursuit of detailing. If you have any questions about these products, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to put the link for them, as well as the Autofiber Scrub Ninja and drill brushes. I find the drill brushes just definitely help take the cleaning effectiveness to another level. And the Scrub Ninja is just a fantastic 1-2 punch to quickly clean leather, maintain them. Just follow up with the dry microfiber and you are good to go. So thanks guys for watching. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below. But we're going to keep moving on this exterior. So you have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your week, and we will see you in the next video.